Jamaican woman charged after allegedly defrauding a 74-year-old in Florida. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is the Links 007 TV News Report. A Jamaican woman was arrested and charged after allegedly defrauding a 74-year-old woman of US $8,000 in Florida. 25-year-old Omar Jamison has been charged with organized scheme to defraud and grand theft, and he's been held at the Volusia County Branch Jail without bond. Reports from the Volusia County Sheriff's Office are that the 74-year-old was contacted by someone impersonating her bank and was instructed to withdraw $8,000 for a courier pickup. Upon realizing that she had been scammed, the victim contacted law enforcement and provided the courier's tag number to a police officer who was able to track down the drop-off location. Surveillance video reportedly showed the courier handing the package to Jamison. However, swift action by law enforcement led to the $8,000 being recovered Thursday night and returned to the victim. The United States Immigration and Customs Enforcement Agency ICE was also contacted, as Jamison is reportedly in the country on an expired visa. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.